It's not just about giving a man a fish, it's about teaching a man to fish. And once the man knows how to fish...
Andrew Tate, a popular personality known for his outspoken ideas, has offered guidance and viewpoints on a variety of topics including relationships and personal growth. 1. Invest in self-improvement. Tate emphasizes the need of making investments in ongoing education and personal growth. He advises people to spend money on books, classes, seminars, or mentorship programs in order to increase their knowledge and develop new abilities. You can improve your marketability, raise your earning potential, and maintain an advantage in an environment of competition by always improving yourself.
If you look at anything that builds a man into a man, there's a degree of suffering. So many men say, I want to be the man, but they don't want to suffer, they don't want to fight, and I don't understand.
2. Work on high-income talents. According to Tate, it's crucial to acquire high-income abilities, which are in demand and may bring in more money. Sales, negotiation, copywriting, coding, and digital marketing are a few examples of high-income skills. Your earning potential is increased by devoting time and energy to learning useful skills. 3. Look for investment opportunities. Tate encourages people to make wise financial choices. His interest in real estate investments has been noted, and he has highlighted the advantages of buying real estate and creating passive income through rental properties. Before moving further, it's necessary to do extensive research and weigh the risks involved with any investment. 4. 2. Launch your own business. Tate promotes working for yourself as a path to financial achievement. He frequently highlights the advantages of starting your own business over surviving entirely on the standard employment model. You can increase your level of financial control, develop several streams of income, and possibly generate money over time by starting your own business. 5. Create a powerful personal brand. Tate is someone who supports a strong web presence and personal branding. He advises people to highlight their abilities, knowledge, and unique characteristics in order to draw opportunities and customers. You may boost your visibility and even charge greater pricing for your goods or services by developing a personal brand. 6. Manage your expenses. Tate focuses on the significance of financial planning and living within your means. He advises people to have control with their spending, stay away of unnecessary debt, and concentrate on saving and investing for the future. You can have more money to put towards wealth-building activities by keeping your spending under control. 7. Develop a strong work ethic. According to Tate, success in business requires devotion and hard work. He values making the required sacrifices, always improving one's abilities, and seizing chances when they present themselves.
It's very hard to become a man and have a man who's respected and has stories and is capable when he only had a nice life and nice experiences.